Hello, my name is Santa, and today I'll be talking about factoring. What is factoring? Factoring is taking stuff apart, but in math terms, it's taking numbers and variables apart. Different types of factoring. Monomials is a mathematical term with two parts, a coefficient and a variable or string of variables. For example, 7xyz. Binomials are terms with a monomial and a number, so 4a plus 2. Trinomials are terms with a variable to an exponential power and a monomial and a number. So, for example, a to the second plus 2a minus 8. Polynomials are terms with a variable to an exponential power, a monomial, and a number. So, for example, 9u to the second power minus 3u to the second power plus 5u to the second power minus 6u minus 10. Next, we're going to be finding factors. So first you list all the factors of 16. Then you're going to list all the factors. Of PQ to the second power. So first you do PQ times Q. You just move down the Q. And then you're going to do P times Q squared. Then finally you're going to do P times Q times Q. And then all of them are up here. Next, we're going to do prime factorization, so 25, 75, and 20. So 25 is 5 to the second power, 5 times 15, which is equal to 5 to the second power times 3. 4 times 5, which equals 5 to the first power times 20 times 2 to the second power. And then you're going to list all the 5s, and then because of this one right here, it's going to be just 5. Factoring polynomials, so 15a to the fourth power minus 25a to the second power, which is equal. So the greatest common factor of 15 and 25 is 5, and the greatest common factor of a to the fourth is a to the fourth, and a to the second is a to the second. So then you add these two together, and then this 5a to the second power. Now we're going to be doing quadratic trinomials, doing full, first outside and inside, and last. H to the second power minus 14a minus 48. So we have 6 and 8, which is equal to 48, then 6 plus 8, which is equal to 14. And you want it to be a negative on both sides. So you do the quantity h plus 6, then you do the quantity h minus 8, and then you do first, which is h plus h. Then you do the outside, which is h minus 8, which is negative HA. Then you do 6h plus positive 6h. Then you multiply these two, negative 48. And then you add these two together, and it would be a negative, and it would be h to the second power minus 14a minus 48. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.